In today's video, I am going to show you how to add products to your Weebly website. This quick and simple process will have your products live in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Weebly website. Click the Sign In button and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand menu and click on the Items tab. From there, select Site Items. This is where you manage all the products you want to feature on your website. Next, choose the type of product you want to add. Weebly supports physical goods, digital products, services, and even event tickets. Selecting the right type helps Weebly provide the best options and settings for your product. Now it's time to add the product details. Start with a clear and concise product name that immediately tells visitors what it is. Upload a high-quality image to showcase your product. This helps attract customers and gives them a better idea of what to expect. Then, write an engaging description highlighting your product's key features and benefits, convincing potential buyers why they need it. Don't forget to enter other important details like price, stock levels, and any additional specifications relevant to your inventory management. Once you've filled in all the information and double-checked for accuracy, click Save. Your product will now be added to your inventory and ready to appear on your site. And that's it. Adding a product to your Weebly website is simple, quick, and effective. By following these steps, your site will be fully functional and ready to attract and engage your visitors.